So everyone has a flabby body part that's just frustrating. Today, what you can do to tone up that problem area, here to show us is health-brational leader and my personal trainer and good friend Donovan Green, who's gonna help you fix these parts of your body. Let's start today with a part of the body that folks are always complaining about. What do women usually say? Hey, Donovan, fix this thing on me.
The biggest part of the body they complain about is what we call the bat wings. That's the extra flab they get on the back of the arms. It tends to be very uncomfortable. It's like you're saying goodbye twice. we don't want this. So we're gonna show them how to tone that area up today.
All right, so we've got two members of our audience who are gonna help tone their back wings up with us, Stephanie and Samantha.
Yes. Okay, so I'm
the
gonna
first
walk
exercise to tone up bat wings.
Yeah, we're gonna do what's called kickbacks. Okay, we're gonna use the dumbbells first. Okay. So let's get those dumbbells. Bend your legs. You could use pick them up properly. You could use can of beans. You could use water. No excuses, right? So what I want you to do is
no excuses.
Stand up,
like
feet about shoulder width apart. Yeah. Push the butt back. Lock your elbows tight to your body. Look straight down, kick back, and flex the back of your arms. Hold it there for a second. Oh. And I want you to feel the burn. Can you feel that muscle tight?
Yes.
Bring it down slow. Kick it back again. So when you're doing this, I want you to really contract, which means to squeeze those muscles in the back of the arms. Try not to round your back out. And what I want you to focus on is exhaling as well. Breathe in and breathe out. As you kick back, you want to exhale. You come in, you want to inhale. Remember, breathing is free. You don't have to pay for that. Kick back and squeeze.
This is harder than it seems for everybody. I'm surprised. You guys doing okay back there?
Yes.
Ladies, how we doing?
Great. Fabulous.
I'm going to step back. I'm going to watch you. I want to see you. Dr. Oz, keep on going for a second. You squeezing that? Give me some more squeeze.
Oh, my goodness. This is...
I love you, right? Squeeze.
A can of beans becomes painful.
We have about 5 more seconds to go here.
How many do you do total?
So what I like to do a lot of time frame, but for people who are just starting, I tell them to go for about 12 reps at a time. But I'm a big fan of time. Time really is the essence of everything.
So how much time would you do it for?
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
How many times do you do it?
About 4 times a week.
Okay.
Yeah, 3 to 4 times a week is really good, but try to break it up into every other day.
All right,
so now with the second exercise, I like how you keep on going. You want to get rid of those arms, right?
I want to get rid of them.
I know. So when you're putting your weights down, the same as picking them up, bend your legs and put them down slow. Protect your knees and your back. So we're going to go down to the knees now. We're going to go to push-ups. These are locked-in push-ups. So what I want you to focus on is have your elbows internally rotated, which means that your elbows point into the back of the room. Go down to your knees. Dr. Oz, you're off your knees.
Oh, that figures.
Ladies, you're on your knees.
Yes.
Lower down slow. Push up. Down again. Keep your stomach tight. Push up.
So elbows have to be in the whole time?
Elbows in the whole time. That's the way you're going to hit those triceps. And up.
When does it stop hurting?
It never stops hurting. When you stop.
Oh, my God.
Let me see where you are. Try to lock the elbow in tight. How you doing over there? You feeling a little struggle, right?
How many of these do we do?
Do as many as you can once again for time. 60 seconds in reality. In 60 seconds, you'll be surprised of how many reps you can actually do, which is 20, maybe 15, maybe 30, depending on who you are. Let's go for 5 more seconds. Ladies, how we doing?
And is this a 4 times a week also?
Did it again?
4 times a week also?
At least 4 times a week, correct. And relax. Take your time and relax. Breathe.
And this will really work to get rid of the bat wings?
Absolutely. This is my 2 favorite exercises. And what makes these exercises so great is they're very simple and you can do them anytime, anywhere. No gym, no problem.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.